At times when you are trying to open Apple Photos app, you may face this kind of issue where the library won't open. So it states that it is unable to open the library because it is facing 5416 error. So mostly this error is because the data is being categorized and is read by Apple Photos process. So all you have to do is just go to your activity monitor to kill those process. So you will go to photos, you will search for photos, and there you will see these processes: photo analysis, and then we have photo library D. So if you'll close these two, force quit, and if you will try to open the library again, it would most likely open. So let's try doing that. And so this is how you fix that error.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.